Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video I will show you how we can make beautiful baby elephant hair tie in very easy way. First of all, I want to show you how I make this body of this scrunchie. First of all, I cover the hair tie with single crochet. Then I add 2 double crochet in each stitch, and then one double crochet in one stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and I repeat it till the end. And into my third row I make 2 double crochet in 2 stitches and 2 double crochet in one stitch, and I repeat it till the end. Now we will make the head of the baby elephant with dark gray yarn. First of all, we will make 6 single crochet into magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will insert the stitch marker and make 2 single crochet in each stitch, and at the end of second round we have 12 single crochet in total. Into our third round we will make 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet into the next stitch. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. In the fourth round we will make 2 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and at the end of the fourth round we will have 24 single crochet in total. Into fifth round we will make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and we will increase into the next stitch. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 30 single crochet in total. Here I want to clear that I am using 1.5 crochet crochet and 100% cotton yarn, and for this scrunchie I have used 2.5 crochet hook and 100% cotton yarn. Now we will repeat round number 5 for more 5 times. Into the round 11 we will start decreasing. First of all, we will make 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and decrease into next 2 stitches. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 24 single crochet in total. Into round 12 we will make 2 single crochet and decrease into next 2 stitches. We will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochet in total. Now we will fill the head with poly filling. Into our second last round we will make 1 single crochet and 1 decrease and at the end of this round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Into our last round we will make 6 decreasing, and at the end of this round we will have 6 single crochet in total. Now we will cut the yarn and sew all 6 stitches with the help of tapestry needle. Now we will make paws. First of all we will make 6 single crochet into magic ring. Now we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch, and at the end of our second round we will have 12 single crochet in total. Now we will make more 3 rounds of 12 single crochet. Now we will fill it slightly and make decreasing in all 12 stitches. We will cut the yarn and leave a loop for sewing. Now we will make ear with 2 parts. One is with grey and the inner part is with the light pink. We will make grey part with 4 rounds. First of all we will make 6 single crochet, then increase and to make 12 single crochet, and then we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase, and at the third round we will have 18 single crochet, and at the last round we will have 24 single crochet by making 2 single crochet and 1 increase into the third stitch, and into our fifth round we will make 24 single crochet, and for the inner part we will make 6 single crochet in first round and increase 6 single crochet, and the second round we will have 12 single crochet in total. And now then we will sew or paste it with the hot glue gun at the outer side of the ear, or we will sew with the tapestry needle. We will make 2 ears. Now we will make the trunk of the elephant. First of all we will make 4 single crochet in magic ring. Now we will insert stitch marker. We will make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and at the end of this round we will have 6 single crochet in total. into our third round we will make one single crochet and increase into the next stitch, and we will repeat it till the end, and at the end of this round we will have 9 single crochet in total. We will repeat round number 3 for 4 times. We will make 9 stitches single crochet for more 2 times. Now we will cut the yarn. And fill the trunk slightly with a very little amount of polyfilling. Now we will embroider the paws or feet. Okay, now paste the both ears and trunk here, and then paste the both eyes or buttons here, and also sew the both feet with a little gap like this, and sew the head between the both feet or paws. Embroider the both cheeks at the parallel of trunk. Now embroider the both eyebrows. Now we will make a little pony tail on the head of the baby elephant. We will insert it at the top of the head with tapestry needle or crochet hook. Now we will glue or sew the head between the both feet, and this beautiful hair tie is ready to wear. I hope you will like this video. We will meet in next video inshallah. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.